This is called an accumulator on the baler. Bales come out on this middle section and that bar pushes them over. Right here, when we had that broken string, it got stuck in the middle. So my dad is going to put it back to the side it's supposed to be on. There it moved. Normal operation, that will slide all the way across and push the bale over onto this section, and then it'll push the other half over, other bale onto this other half on this section. So this can carry up to 3 bales at a time. Baler chamber, he's just going to rev up and get going right now.